Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. This video here is all about festival glam. If you guys are attending any festivals this season, then here is just a super simple look for you to recreate. I don't have too much to say. I guess we can just jump straight into this look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Okay, so my lids are already primed. We are going to start off by using the Morphe 35B palette. I'm just going to take that purple shade that I did just show you and then just blow it out into my crease. We're going to use this as our transition shade, kind of. Not really. It's more of our crease shade. Then I'm going to take the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go in with Zobo. And then this is what we're going to use as our transition shade. I don't know why I went in with my crease shade first, but yeah. Going back into the Morphe palette, I'm going to take the purple shade again just to deepen up the crease since I did go in with Zobo. Now I'm going to cut my lid with my, what is this? I know it's MAC. It's my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC42. So all I did was cut my lid here. I did not like how this concealer sat. I don't like how it just sat on my eyelids. It didn't dry fast enough, or I don't know what happened, but it messed up my eye with that and my allergies. My right eye just came out horrible, but that always happens with me, so I'm pretty much used to it by now. So I am going to set my concealer with my translucent powder, and then I'm going to go back into that Morphe palette and get that purple shade just to blend the concealer into the outer V. Now I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette and take that pink shade that I just showed you, and that is going to be our lid shade. Now I'm just going to add some more of that purple shade just to make sure that the transition between the purple and the pink is extremely, blended, nice. I don't know what was going on with my shadows here. They just weren't blending as much as I wanted them to. I don't know if it was the brush that I was using or what, but I'm going to go back in with Zobo and just add it on top just to try and blend the two shades a little bit more. And then I am going to go in with this purple metallic-y shade, and I'm just going to put that exactly where the pink and the purple shades meet, just to give you a little bit of a glowing effect, like a little 3D-ness in a sense. And then since the shades didn't blend as perfectly as I wanted to, this definitely helped. Now I'm going to add a wing liner. For our wing liner today, we're going to use the NYX Vivid Brights in the shade Vivid Blossom. I love these liners. They do not, they do crack, but they don't crack as much as the white version does. So these are okay. They last a really long time, and they come in really fun colors, so why not use it for this look today. Okay, moving on to lashes. For my mascara, I do on my Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express Mascara, and then for lashes, I'm using the Ardell Wispies in 113s. I love these. These are like my perfect everyday lash. And I want to go with something simple since we were doing so much on the face. For foundation, I am using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation in the shade Golden. So I'm just blending in my foundation. You know, I'm like, wow, my skin looks so dewy and oily. I wonder why. Like, this never happens. And then I'm like, I forgot to prime my skin. Funny. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna take my Flower Beauty concealer in the shade Light Medium. I don't know, this concealer is a really good concealer. It's a drugstore concealer. I've been using it since I ran out of my Shape Tape, and I refuse to buy another Shape Tape, but I think I'm going to have to swallow my words and buy another bottle because I still can't find a good matte concealer. So I think I might have to go back to the Shape Tape. And then you guys seen me blend out my concealer 20 billion times before. Everyone blends their concealer out the exact same way, a damp beauty blender. So I think I just like skip this part. And then we are gonna go move on to baking. Well, I don't really bake anymore, kind of, sort of, I don't know. But we're gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I am just going to set all of my areas, like my concealer. I do set my forehead, my smile lines, all of those above places. You know the deal. Nothing new here. So once we're done setting everything with a translucent powder, I am going to go ahead and bronze my skin. For bronzer, I'm going to use the It's My Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the, what's the color of it? The mocha shade. I am so empty out of my mocha shade. I am so sad. I really and truly don't want to just go buy a whole new palette just for that shade, but I think that's what I might have to go do. It's My Ray Ray, can you please just start to sell your bronzing shades by themselves, please, and thank you. So I contour my nose the exact same way every time, and the last video I kind of just showed you exactly what I did. So now I'm just going to take the translucent powder again and cut my bronzer, pretty much do a little cleanup work. Now I'm just going to blend all of the powders away, dust it off of my face so I don't feel like a little cake girl. And then I'm gonna set my entire face. Once again, nothing new here, the LA Girl Pro Face Powder in the shade True Bronze. If you guys have not tried this powder, if you are on the hunt for a new setting powder, go to Ulta and pick this up, or wherever you can find LA Girl products at. Love that. Now, since I'm all bakey and just crusty, I'm gonna spray my face with Mario Badescu facial spray in the aloe, cucumber, and green tea one, and then that's just pretty much just gonna bring my face back alive. Now we are going to finish the eyes. I am pretty much taking all three of the shades that I did use in the first place, so I'm gonna take Zobu first, blend that out on my bottom lash line, and I'm gonna take that purple shade and keep that purple shade only on the outer corner of my eye, so like halfway. We're gonna take that purple shade in, and then I'm gonna take that metallic purple shade and then keep that right in like the center of the bottom lash line. It's like a little mix. Now I am going to take this awful NYX white liquid liner, yes, the one that cracks. I am just going to, what is this called, like a halo? It's not a halo eye, because I know what a halo eye is, but what is that little line called? But whatever it's called, I am taking that little line above my crease. In my crease, I don't know what you call it. Then I just wanted to add 3 little dots, because hey, it's festival season, you know, just add little dots on your face, like little doodling. Now I'm gonna take the Stila, what is this? The Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is just the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner. Now we're gonna move on to highlighter. Ooh, yes. Okay, so this is a NYX Halo Graphic Halo Shimmer Stick in the shade Instinct Primal, I don't know, but this little highlighter stick here, this thing is so pretty. It's such a nice way to set highlighters, and I just love the shade. It matched my look so perfectly. Okay, now I wanted to add a little bit more intense in this eye look, so I'm just taking my NYX glitter glue. I'm gonna throw that into my inner corner, and then on top of that, I am going to take my NYX, what is this, Face Body Glitter in the shade Crystal, and I'm just gonna add that into the inner corner. I just feel like my eyes just weren't popping as much as I wanted it to, so now I'm just setting my highlighted areas with the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero kitty cat shade from out of that palette, and it's just so pretty. And then I go ahead and add blush. My blush was the Bobbi Brown Pretty in Pink blush. For our lipstick, we are using MAC's Heroine. Love, love, love this shade. Oh, this is like one of my all-time favorite lipstick shades from MAC. I like to line my lips with Vino lip liner too with this lipstick. Perfect lip combo ever. And then on top of that lipstick, I'm going to take the NYX Duochromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss in the shade Gypsy Dreams. So this lip gloss, oh my god, it is so perfect. Now I really want to do a glossy lid with this lip gloss. And now I was gonna finish at that point, but I was like, hey, let's add some jewels to the face. So I'm just taking 5 jewels and I'm just gonna put them above my eyebrows. I just placed the jewels on my forehead first to make sure that's where I wanted to put them. Then I just took them off one by one, put the lash glue on my eyebrow, and then just sat the jewels on top. This is a completed look. I hope you guys enjoy my take on a cool little quirky festival look. I hope you all have fun, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.